Hi, this is David from ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and I'd quickly like to show you how you can mark students' work and give them some feedback. So, when you're on your assignments page, if a student has submitted some work, you'll see a button here with the number of submissions. Click it. There's only one student that has submitted work here. We'll be adding notifications to turn on and off so you can be notified of student submissions. That's coming in the future. But to mark, you just click the mark button. You'll know you're there if it has a red bar here. And you can click here, you can see the students' work. You can give them some feedback. Yes, yes. Add some text. We'll be building out all these features. This is beta right now, but it's coming. Great work. Save your feedback. Okay, now let's go to the student page. Student has saved their submission page or sent themselves an email of this. And if I refresh it, they will see your feedback right here on the page. You also have a handy little button on each student assignment where you can chat with the student and give them feedback and communicate. Let's do exercise 3. Okay, that's the simple version of using the grading system. We're going to be adding a lot to this, so stay tuned for updates, and we'll update all the tutorials here on YouTube. Thank you for your time.